Forecast, Jen.
Oh, I'm loving that shot behind you guys. The sunshine behind the buildings, absolutely gorgeous. We're starting off the day on a gorgeous note. This is their time-lapse North Canton and beautiful. Looking at your Akron forecast as we take you through the morning, 10 a.m. you'll be at 70 degrees. Then we're going to head into the upper 70s. Again, those away from the lake will likely hit the upper 70s. Those near the lake, mainly mid 70s. Right now it is 59 in Carrollton, 56 in Barberton. We've got mid 50s in Lake County. It's that cool feeling and very comfortable. 60 though already in Lakewood. Avon Lake checking in at 60 as well. Same with Lorain. So beautiful, beautiful day. I can't stress that this is your pick weekend day. So hopefully you can find a way to get out and enjoy it. You could see to the south and west of us 70s showing up, low 70s in Springfield, over towards Paducah. Warm, sticky air, that's where it's lurking, and that's going to be headed our way. Right now, all is quiet. You can see showers down towards Indianapolis and then along the Ohio River Valley. These showers will stay out of our area, but what it's going to do, if they're in the heat of the day, you get those thunderstorms popping up, it'll throw some cloud cover our way later this afternoon. But let me tell you, this week is looking like a rainy one. We've got rain chances pretty much every day the week ahead of us. No exception tomorrow. We'll have scattered showers and storms. I think two waves, one coming in the morning and one coming later in the afternoon. Then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, we take it down to about a 30% chance. So not as much, not as widespread, but every day during the heat of the day, you're going to get those scattered showers and thunderstorms. 73 degrees is what we hit yesterday. Far cry from our average of 84. We're still going to be below that, but at least we're headed in the right direction. We're going up. Now, your rainfall rates and what we've seen in the gauge so far for the season here in Cleveland, we're at a surplus of just over 1.25 inches, almost 1.5 inches for the month. Now for the season, Akron, Canton, you're over about 1 inch, but Mansfield, you're down about 1.5 inches. So we don't technically need the rain this season, but for the year, we're still down. And this is our latest drought conditions. Not anywhere across Northeast Ohio showing drought conditions, which is obvious because we had all that rain. If you are headed to the Tribe game, beautiful evening. First pitch 6:10, 76 degrees. So we're at 77 today, 80 tomorrow, but we'll bring in the chance for those showers and thunderstorms. Then during the heat of the day, each day this week, we'll have those pop-up week ahead. So let's check out your time lapse from our Science Center and a gorgeous morning. It is oh so comfortable out there right now. The humidity low. We've got lots and lots of sunshine. It's going to be a beautiful day. Today is the pick day of the weekend. So here's what's going on hour by hour. We've got temperatures headed into the low 70s by our lunch hour. Northern communities will likely hit the mid 70s throughout the day, upper 70s inland. So here's what's going on temperature-wise right now. Low and mid 60s for most of us. There are a couple outliers where we're in the upper 50s from Willoughby to Ashtabula down to Ravenna. Then you go out towards the western viewing area, and Port Clinton already checking in at 68 degrees. Boy, it's going to be a great day to be out Put-in Bay, Kelly's Island. The island's looking good. All right, here's a look at storm fox. Not a lot going on across our area. There are a couple patchy clouds here or there, but you can see more cloud cover off to the west of us. Those clouds will be streaming in as we go through the afternoon. So today, right now, we're seeing the most of the sunshine and then the clouds increasing. That warm front lifts into our area tomorrow. So we are outside of the rain and thunderstorm risk. Now, the higher chance for severe thunderstorms today along the Ohio River Valley and as you go down towards Iowa and portions of Missouri. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at our storm risk tomorrow. With this warm front pushing in, we're in a marginal risk. The risk is low, so this is a 1 out of 5. But if we do get a strong or severe thunderstorm, likely with gusty winds, hail would be the main threats with this warm front moving through. So here's Futurecast hour by hour, looking good. Here comes the patchy clouds later in the day. I can't rule out a sprinkle well to the south of the Route 30 corridor, but you can see the shower and thunderstorm activity mainly staying in southern Ohio this afternoon. But that's the reason why we're going to get the cloud cover. Now tonight, isolated spotty shower around, and then we get our first wave during the morning hours. Showers and thunderstorms around through your midday, and then we'll get a second wave here. That's going to come in mainly after 3 o'clock. We'll have scattered showers and thunderstorms with that, and during that wave, that's when we could possibly have one that turns strong or severe. We'll do it all over again on Monday. So if you are planning to go to the lake today, today is your day. We've got a foot or less out there, winds out of the southeast to northeast, 10 knots or less, and our water temperature checking in at 70. Our air temperature today, 77. Akron, Canton, I'm going with near 80 for you. Beautiful with light and variable winds, a mix of sun and clouds in the afternoon. Tonight, spotty showers, not out of the question. We are clouding up, temperatures in the low 70s. We're warming up. We're back to 80 tomorrow. The humidity returns, and same with the shower and thunderstorm risk. That's going to be the case Monday, Tuesday, even into Wednesday. We still have a chance of
hot areas out there.
Yeah, you know, I couldn't even imagine thinking about 110 to 130 degrees. I mean, man, I just feel for the folks out there because they just dealt with a bad one. And like you said, about a 100-year heat wave, and now they're going to get it right again. So we're thinking about the heat. It wasn't very warm yesterday. We want the summer heat to build back in. Not that hot, though. They can keep the hundreds. Today we'll be approaching 80, upper 70s the high. So if you're thinking about headed to the beach, today is your day to do it of the two, because tomorrow we'll be tracking some thunderstorms. Water temperature at the surface, 73 to 75 degrees. If you headed out towards the islands, we've got a surface temp of 76. Waves, foot or less, low rip current risk. UV index, though, is high, and great news, water quality checking in good. I know Villa Angela Beach and Edgewater had poor water quality the last couple of days. Today, just checked, looking good. If you're thinking about going to the Tribe game tonight, it should be a beautiful one. Beautiful evening, temperatures in the mid 70s. We've got that comfortable feel out there. Remember the humidity on the lower side. That's going to change as this warm front moves in. We do have a few high wispy clouds in and around the Chesterland area. That's our West Geauga High School camera there. Akron, here's your forecast. Temperatures low 70s by 11 a.m. Then we're headed into the upper 70s. Pay no attention to these few showers that are starting to show. I think the shower activity will remain well to the south of us today. 62 in Carrollton, same with Barberton. You're checking in at 61. Still at 59 in Menor, but look at this. Avon Lake, 67. 66 in Lorain, Wellington, 67. So we're in this bubble of, I guess, coolish air because it's definitely not a summer feel, but where we've got the warmth to the south and west of us, that's going to be building in. But look, once I put the clouds and radar on the map, you've got rain and thunderstorms there. That's where that area of low pressure is sitting. So for today, we're looking good throughout the day today. Notice the rain chances along the Ohio River Valley. Then as we get into your day tomorrow, first up overnight, spotty showers, maybe a rumble of thunder. I think our first wave will move in during the morning hours. Could have some claps of thunder with that. Then we could get a break in the middle of the day. By late in the afternoon and the evening, another wave of scattered showers and thunderstorms. I think the bulk of it will be right along the I-75 corridor, and then that's going to continue through the night. And then as we get into your Monday, we're going to do it all over again. I mean, this is a daily breakdown. We do have showers and thunderstorms in the forecast pretty much every day. Yesterday, we hit 73, a far cry from our average of 84. Thanks for sending in your view. This toad or this frog here, it was a frog, wanted to kind of relax there. I guess it was raining when they took the picture, so maybe a yellow umbrella. How about this double rainbow? And then look at that, your Kelly's Island sunset. Oh, it will be beautiful out at the islands today. Now tomorrow, again, on and off showers and thunderstorms at any time during the day tomorrow. 80 degrees, then we're back into the mid 80s as we head into morning. Time now is 9:13 on your Saturday morning. Welcome to the weekend. We've got a beautiful day in store for us. Lots of sunshine right now. There will be a couple of high clouds right now mixing in, as you can see, but then thicker clouds coming later in the day, all courtesy of this warm front that'll be moving in our direction. So showers and thunderstorms firing along that warm front, and we'll continue to get some clouds thrown at us. Now, looking at your forecast, our temperatures mid 70s, mainly in our northern communities. South will likely hit the upper 70s. So mid to upper 70s the spread. 68 right now at Burke Lakefront. It is 60 in Akron. Ashtabula checking in at 64, and we've got 70 showing up in Port Clinton. But all is quiet here across the area. Again, we do have some high wispy clouds. Now, looking at what's going on along this warm front, we've got some showers and thunderstorms forming here in and around Cincinnati. I think much of the shower and thunderstorm activity for the area will be in southern Ohio today. So that's good news. We should be dry through the day. Then that warm front that lifts tomorrow and things start to change. So your severe risk today, again, in and around the Cincinnati area and points south and west. Now tomorrow, Storm Prediction Center has us in a marginal threat. That's on the low scale, 1 out of 5. And with that said, if one turns strong to severe, the threats will be high winds and also flooding concerns. We get the heavy rain, those soakers once again. No tornado threat, no hail risk tomorrow. So here's your hour by hour on Futurecast. As we take you through the day, this is your lunch hour. You'll see a mix of sun and clouds. Note the shower activity in southern Ohio. As we get into tonight, this evening, more cloud cover. We're going to continue to cloud up through the night hours. I can't rule out stray showers, spotty showers here during the early morning hours. Then this wave pushes in during the morning tomorrow. With this, claps of thunder not out of the question. This is 8:30 in the morning. That's going to continue to lift with that warm front. We'll set up right around 1 o'clock in the afternoon at our northeastern areas. We could get a break from these showers and thunderstorms late afternoon into the first part of your evening, right around dinner time. But then as we get into the latter half, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms starting to move back into our area during the evening. So on and off showers and thunderstorms throughout the day. The chances there all day long, so just check our weather app frequently. But what also is returning, the heat and the humidity. Thinking about going on the lake today, no problem. Foot or less, water temperature 70 degrees. Again, tomorrow you're going to be on the lookout for showers and storms. 77, very beautiful tonight. Spotty shower, not out of the question, otherwise clouding up. And then tomorrow we're 80. Warmer and muggy. So looking ahead here, we continue with the heat. Mid 80s expected throughout next week, and the rain chances stick around. Scattered showers and thunderstorms.
Outside doing all kind of things.
Oh, yeah.
The beach.
I've been there in that mother's shoes. My son lost his nuggle newt. Thought he left it at the hotel room.
Okay, what's a
nuggle newt?
A nuggle newt.
So it's a chameleon. It's blue, and he goes with it everywhere. Like we take it on vacation. So we were staying at a hotel before we got to our destination, and we couldn't find it. Meanwhile, we went through the whole entire vacation, and until the last day, we found it on the upper bunk. So he thought it was in the hotel room. It was in the upper bunk, like tucked in the side. Oh, it was. I was looking on eBay, like, can we just get another one? Can we do another one? Yeah. All right. So if you are taking the kiddos to the beach today, there is an advisory posted at Huntington Beach for low quality water quality. So keep that in mind. That's the only area that I've seen poor advisory, poor water quality for. UV index, low down the sunscreen, it is high. We're up at an 8, and no swimming risk. So that's good news there. Water temperatures checking in the low and mid 70s. Here's your time lapse from Burke Lakefront, and we've got lots of sunshine across the area right now. We're checking in at 68 degrees. Not quite beach weather just yet. Maybe later this afternoon will be the better time of day, obviously, to hit one of our area beaches. Headed to the Tribe game tonight. They're on a hot streak, 76 degrees at first pitch. A beautiful evening, no chance of rain. In fact, Akron, don't look at this chance of rain here. I think the chances will be well south of you today, but I do expect some backyards to possibly hit 80. Southern communities will get into the upper 70s for sure. 66 right now. It's already 70 in Columbus. We do have plenty of sunshine across the area. Starting to see maybe some thunderstorm activity firing up here. You can see it in southern Ohio out towards Cincinnati. That's where that threat will be. Now, as we go through the day today, you can see it here. For us, nothing going on, just some high clouds being mixed in from time to time. And then as we get into tomorrow, so we'll start off with the early morning hours. I can't rule out a stray spotty shower, but we've got a wave pushing in after 6 a.m. That'll continue to work its way through. This is actually with the warm front itself. So between 6 and let's say noon, we'll likely have some showers and thunderstorms around that point. Could get a break right around your lunch hour through around 2 o'clock. Then we'll be tracking another wave. That's going to move in during the late afternoon, evening hours, starting first in our western communities. We'll do it all over again as this front stalls out and sits just to the north of us. So our rain chances all week long. Wednesday, we're down to about a 30% chance, but for the most part, I mean, we're going to be dodging raindrops and thunderstorms periodically throughout the day. Now, tomorrow, I can't rule out a severe thunderstorm or a stronger one that happens, gusty winds, and of course, the flooding issues would be the concern. 84, the average high. We hit 73 yesterday. For the month, we are up in the rainfall department here, and that's the case for Akron and also the Mansfield area for the month of July so far. Looking ahead here, well, we've got lots of rain chances, and we've got the heat and humidity building back in as well. Temperatures back into the mid 80s through the middle of the week. So during the heat of the day, those pop-up showers and thunderstorms around. Finally get rid of the system toward
They're just really
flying.
just, I mean, 80, 90 miles an hour in the 55 mile an hour zone, or 60
agree.
mile an hour zone.
Yes, definitely felt it. You know, here in Ohio, we have to go to driver's training. You're 16, you're sitting in that class. It's, you
for
know,
a while, too.
Yeah, exactly.
Now I think the rules got stricter from when we were 16.
Probably a good thing, because when I lived in Florida, people were like, oh, my aunt just taught me how to drive. And I was like, well, this makes sense.
It makes sense,
Makes
which is
a
why
lot of
people
sense.
are a little out there. But I think the thing is, for a lot of folks too, though, when the weather gets nice, they want to be out and they want to do different things. So a lot of folks are probably zooming right
Racing
now on
into
a
the
a
beach.
beautiful blue day like today.
Yeah, please don't zoom around. Take your time.
All right. Thank you. See you later.